Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Gonna do episode 5 of Do We Have Eggs Yet? Showing you guys last couple days, we're just doing an egg check. Pretty much do this for all the girls, but the ones that are closer, them are the ones that we try to pay more attention to. And our phantom female, phantom 2, yeah, we just label it as number 2 because we have 2 phantoms. We actually have 3 phantoms. We're now combining all of our collections together. So we're still running through names and have to get everything labeled the right way. We'll do a video on that pretty soon too. Me and Tyler kind of buddied up not too long ago, and the collection that me and him have now acquired is definitely something else. Sorry, I don't want to bore you guys all with that right now. Let's get into seeing if our girl has eggs. So this is the phantom female, and she's been bred to the banana leopard double het, the Mojave orange dream, pastel inchy clown. They have various locks. I don't have them all written down either. I was really lazy this year, but she is any day now supposed to be spitting eggs, laying eggs, whatever you guys want to say. Looking real crazy. She definitely has eggs almost up to like where her head is right now. I don't want to go touching inside of there, but yeah, she's super swollen. I bet she has 6 to 8 eggs, easy. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys the father and then some of the stuff that he created last year. I don't know, try to make the video a little interesting and show off our snakes a little bit. So here's the father right down here. Banana leopard, 100% het clown. That's why I crossed this out. He's 66% het pied. I'll show you the girl next that we're trying to prove him out with. He's definitely a little bit more skinnier right now. He's not unhealthy or anything like that, but he's definitely been bred to a bunch of females this year, and he's now in his little I don't want to eat stage because we took away all of his girls. But no, it's just kind of, we took away the girls basically because he stopped eating. Some of them do it. He did it last year. He stopped eating for about 2 months. He got a little skinnier than this, and then he picks back up on food, does really good throughout the spring and summer, and he'll be ready to go by next fall. So yeah, that's our banana leopard, 100% het clown, 66% het pied. And last year we bred him to our leopard 100% het clown female. She was also just a possible het that proved out for us. Don't want to disturb her right now. She's currently building follicles. She hasn't ovulated yet. She'll still being paired here and there, but I think she's going to ovulate any time here. She just got done shedding the other day, so I think that was her pre-ovulation shed. Not that there's really a thing like that, I don't think, but that's what I call it. So we'll see. Keep an eye on her. But between them two, they made this banana leopard, possible super leopard, 66% het clown, 50% possible het pied. If he proves out to be pied, she'll be, and this is a female as well, so we got a female banana out of him. So we think that, I'm pretty sure that he's a female maker. We will find out. Them two also made our leopard clown. She's in shed right now, so she's not as bright and beautiful as she usually is. She still looks really nice. She could possibly be a super leopard as well, and she would be 50% possible het pied. She has really nice tracks right there underneath too, like some crazy looking stuff. So we'll see. Definitely gonna breed her to a either clown pied male if we can end up getting one, or we will go about the ways of hets. We will try. Another one that they produced was this leopard right here. This is a really nice leopard female, possible super leopard as well, because both parents were leopard, and it's kind of hard to tell what's super leopard and what's not until they breed. And if all of them come out leopard, then it'll be a super leopard. If she has other babies than just leopard, then she will not be a super leopard. But I really think that she's at least het clown. She's a possible het pied as well. She will be a really nice 2023 breeder female that we will have. Come on, girl. Another one that that male produced with a cinnamon female is this leopard cinnamon. She's pretty nice. So she'll be 50% het clown, 50% possible het pied. I really like the way they look. They got these nice dorsal stripes that come all the way down right there. I heard that could be a possible het clown influence, and then the really nice tracks that come along the belly that could possibly be the het pied influence. So we'll see on her as well in 2023 if she keeps eating and growing the way that she should. So yeah, them are a few of what they produced. To prove out the het pied this year, I'm going to show you the female on that really quick. So this is a pastel yellow belly G-Nex 100% het pied female. She is gravid currently. I think she gave us her ovulation a few weeks ago. She just shed the other day. Well, not the other day. She shed on the 4th. So right around the 9th of February, we should hope to see eggs. Otherwise, that will not be her post-ovulation shed, and she'll be ovulating soon for me then. But I swear I've seen her swell up one day for about 48 hours. I love her belly tracks, like the checkerboard, but her belly is so crazy. You see all the colors inside of there? It's white with lots of yellows, and she definitely is 100% het pied. Her daddy was really amazing. He was the pastel yellow belly G-Nex pied from JKR, and yeah, he's amazing. I wish I had pictures of that I could show to you guys from that. I got that one, and he's in shed right now too, but this is our Superfly yellow belly possible G-Nex 100% het pied. He's got a nice little ringer right here as well. But he's in shed, so he's not as bright right now, but he should produce what his daddy was, no problem, and that'll be amazing. We have a bunch of females for him to go to as well. So yeah, just wanted to make the video a little bit more interesting, show off some of the girls that we're working with and what that male was doing. So trying to keep it interesting. If you guys could like, share, subscribe, let me know any kind of content that we can do to help make you guys follow us a little bit better. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good day. Talk to you later. Peace.